are 9 steps on how to transition a multi-site organization to Agile development. Identify Agile coaches for each of the deployment centers. They are going to be the torchbearers of Agile, who will train, coach, and be the eyes and ears for Agile development. Pick your Agile coaches who have hands-on experience on what you're developing, who understand the local dynamics of the organization, and most importantly, those who can influence their peers. Understand the existence of cross-cultural differences. It may be subtle or more prominent, but it is something that you should take care of. Cross-cultural differences could be in terms of leadership styles, where some centers may be used to only command and control style. If so, you will need to put in more work in allying the leadership concerns in these sites. Further, you need to look for the underlying politics within and between the sites and handle them appropriately. A big organizational change such as this will affect status quo. Agile is all about communication. Communication between people and communication between people and code. You may need to set up 2 types of meetings. Set up a regular Scrum of Scrum meeting where the team discusses project-related dependency status. Start with weekly once or twice and then increase or reduce based on need. Set up a regular Agile transition meeting where the Agile coaches sync up and discusses issues, learnings, and solutions. When you start it off, you may need to meet at least once a week and keep tweaking the agreed process, or find new ways to handle program level issues. As you progress across sprints, the need for this meeting becomes less frequent. An architecture that supports feature level ownership cannot be emphasized more. Such an architecture or design will help you vertically slice the product, where the distance between developers and users is at the minimum. However, for legacy products, this may not always be possible. In such cases, evaluate possibilities of complete ownership of a set of features by one center and another set of features by another center. You will need a mature Agile team and Agile practices to have features spread across locations. So when you start off new, look out for clear boundaries. Get the teams to understand on how to slice the product backlog items vertically. Since progress is measured through working code, PBI slicing is the key to measure progress. If they aren't sliced properly, early integration of code will not be possible. Identify dependency between PBIs and share acceptance test cases for cross-site dependencies. The acceptance test cases will ensure that the team delivering the dependency is clearly aware of what is expected of their delivery. This will save a lot of effort and bugs for the entire program. Work on a single mainline branch where everyone commits code irrespective of the location. The build should always pass on this integrated branch. If your continuous integration system isn't mature enough or doesn't have automated testing, you can temporarily have a team-level Scrum branch for each team, which is the mirror of the main line during the start of every sprint. Each of the Scrum team develops on this branch and merges the changes on the main line after testing in the latest context, at least once at the end of the sprint. This, though not an optimal approach, will initially help the team to maintain the integrity of the main line, thus not impacting other teams. Have joint sprint reviews. Plan it on the last day of the sprint and choose a convenient time considering the time difference. During the sprint review, each of the Scrum teams across the centers will demonstrate their sprint output from the same mainline build. This will ensure that the product is continuously maturing sprint on sprint. All the above is only possible through proper cross-site unified tooling for both project configuration and build management. There are many free tools available on the internet. Choose and deploy them globally. If you found this video informative, do like it and share it. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.